Okay, I just woke up, guys. This is my food for today. Meron tayong food, guys. Ayan, my breakfast for today. Ayan, lechon kawali and also adelis, guys. One of my favorite food. Ayan, ating dilis na napakalutong, guys. Ito, ganitong ulam lang, guys. Masaya na ako. I'm so happy of this. Ayan, guys. And then, meron tayong sausawan dito, guys. Toyo with suka. Sarap. Ayan. Ito yung mga lamis kong ulam, guys. Dito sa probinsya. Ayan, tipid-tipid muna tayo ngayon, guys. Taran! Mainit pa siya, guys. Bagong luto. So, yan. So, lechon kawali. So yummy. Ayan, guys. Akong diet, guys. Sira yung aking diet ngayon, guys. No diet for today. Ayan. I treat myself to eat more now, guys. Ngayong araw na to. Top. So yummy. Ayun, guys, ilang days din akong hindi masyadong kumain ng rice. I eat only oatmeal, fruits. So, this time, no diet for today. Ayan. I-treat ko muna yung sarili ko, guys, na kumain ng masarap. Ayan. Kumain masarap, guys. Ayan. So yummy. Ayan, today is Sunday, guys. So, ayan. Lalabas tayo. Guys. Para mag-ikot-ikot sa mall. Tapos, para magsimba din, guys. Kaya after ko kumain, guys, ayun, ako ay maliligo sa shower, and then kugura na ako, guys, tapos kong kumain. So yummy. Guys, and some rice. Parang hindi ko maubos yung rice, guys. So, ulam lang yung akin uubusin. Dilis. So yummy. Ang lutong niya, guys. Super lutong. Yummy. Ayan, wala muna akong diet talaga ngayon, guys. Namiss ko nang kumain, guys. Masarap. Namiss kong kumain. So yummy. Sarap na, guys. Ano, guys? I'm done. I'm done, guys. I'm done. So yummy. Sarap. Ayaw ko nang tigilan, guys. I'm done. Pero, ayaw ko kang tumigil. Ang sarap kasi ng ating lechon kawali, guys. So yummy. Ayan. Sarap niya, guys. Ayan. So, guys. Naubos ko lang yung ulam ko, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Taba ng tira, guys. Ako kumain taba. Ayan. So, I'm done, guys. Naubos yung ulam ko. Ang tinggilis. Yes, masarap. So, yummy. Ayan. So, that's it for today, guys. I'm so full. Sarap ng aking ulam for today, guys. Talagang busog na busog ako ngayong araw na to, guys. I love it. Ayan, guys. I-treat din natin yung sarili natin, guys. Kumain na masarap. Ayan. Huwag din tayo puro diet lang. Ayan. Mayroon tayong isang araw na kakain ng masarap. So, I'm done. Ubus ko ang akong ulam, guys. And then, may naroon akong kunting kanin. So, that's okay. Ayan. That's it for today, guys. Bye.